Are chiropractic adjustments painful? Adjustments aren't painful, but sometimes you do get a soreness. But that's the reaction to tell you that things are going on to getting you back to health. Remember, after an adjustment, the body reacts and it is sore at times. Usually it can be the first 1 or 2 adjustments, but then the body starts getting back to its normal self. It starts working to relieve the pain, and it starts getting back to its normal health. In order to recover from pain, you have to come back for adjustments. It could be anywhere from 2 to 8 weeks. Each person's different, each problem's different. But as you're working with your chiropractor, you can know when you start feeling better, and you can start cutting off your treatments and go back to your normal exercise and style of life. Remember, affiliated healthcare is the healthcare center with a heart. Our desire is to help you to get healthy. That's why you want to go to us. Remember, affiliated healthcare is at 8000 Southwest 67th Avenue, Miami, Florida. The office is 305-666-8883. We have satellite offices at West Kendall, Homestead, Tavernier, and Hallandale Beach in US 1. Our desire is to help you.